Sir, I have a question for you. Assertiveness is always mistaken as rudeness, right, sir? How can we tell others that we are not being rude to them, and what are the advantages of assertiveness, sir?
Okay. There is a fine line dividing these two things, assertiveness and rudeness. You know that you are right. Somebody is finding fault with you. Suppose you are wearing, now you are wearing the mask. After coming here, if I asked you to remove the mask, you feel you don't want to remove the mask. Sorry, sir, I want to wear the mask for my protection. That is assertiveness. No, I will not remove the mask. Who are you to tell? That is rudeness. Assertiveness means you are respecting the other person. You are conveying your idea to the person, giving due respect to the status of the person, but you are not changing. Sorry, sir, I will not take the mask. No, you should take the mask out. Sorry, sir, I'm sorry, sir, I have to wear it. So you are not changing your stand. This is assertiveness. Behaving aggressively, undermining the authority of the other person, hurting the self dignity of the other person is rudeness. You are studying well. In spite of your best efforts, you find mathematics subject somewhat tough. You are getting, in spite of trying to get 100%, you are getting only 85%. Your father is obviously upset. They come to you and say that, what is this? Can't you score 100 out of 100 in mathematics? I got lots of hopes on you. I want you to get into IIT. See, your neighbor, your friend, always she gets or he gets 100 out of 100. What happened to you? They're asking. No, why should I get 100? I'll not get go. That is rudeness. Assertiveness, making the other person understand you. Mom, I am trying my best. But in spite of my best efforts, I'm still getting 85. I'll try my best. I'll try to improve my score. And as such, mathematics is a subject which I don't like. My friend likes mathematics, but I like some other subject. So I won't be interested to get into IIT as you are suggesting. I want to get into medical line, or I want to become a lawyer, I want to become a civil servant, or any such option. So you are asserting yourself. So understand the difference between these two. When you are right, when somebody forces you to accept something wrong, tell something wrong, hey, let's steal the money, Ray. Let's tell a lie to the teacher, Ray. Let's copy in the exam, Ray. Or let's go to some outside place, acquire to do something bad. No, I'm not interested. Sorry, I won't be doing this. You are asserting. You may not act rude. No, get out. I don't hear all this. You may not do that in the first count. Yeah, the person who is pestering you to come on a wrong path is repeatedly doing that. Then you may say, no, get out. I don't want to do this. But in the beginning, you will be polite, you will be firm, and you will be telling you will be conveying what you want to convey to the other person. Always be assertive, but generally elders know better than you. Don't you agree? With their knowledge, they have got more knowledge, more experience. So when they are suggesting something, look into that. Am I wrong? Am I right? Cross check that with other adult. Your mother has suggested something which you don't like. Cross check that with your father, with your grandfather, with a teacher. Teacher has suggested something to you which you feel is not correct. So cross check that with your parents, with elders, with other teachers. So nothing wrong in doubting a person, cross checking. But when you feel what they are told is correct, you accept it. When you feel what they are told is not correct, then you stick to your position. Okay, so that is the answer for you.